Umentri badai kami yakatan pulih putih ke sorkar jela ba lakmen remboi lo ong bo lapan kaiphod halor ke jinglong jingman ba isang sot jok hynñiew tylli skul sorkar Mawsynram Block bat Southwest Kasil District. Kumon chukudo ba kinong ilam ke khasi student union Southwest Kasil District lawan ra yakani kamat hau menteri dak bakentu bo de bentuklar ban phak marmot yakini ki hynñiew tylli skul. Kini skul ki kentop yakanong shloit government LP school ken shloit government LP school ken rang government LP school bat balat rim government LP school ki Mawsynram Block. Nang ta kadom sokhya government LP school, nong tenger government LP school, but majai government LP school ki bahab po Southwest Kasil District.
Instructed seek the report on the condition of the schools, the number of teachers in the schools, the number of students in the school, and if the condition is not conducive to help class anymore, where are those students studying now? So that report I have seek, and that report will come to me so that to see what is the thing to be done, and we will do the necessary thing for the benefit of our students. No, this according to the list which the student body have given to me, this school have not does not include in that list. There maybe they will include in the third phase, because now second phase is preparation of this for second, third phase is going on. So, but my concern is not the schools only. My concern, if the condition of the school is not fit to teach, where do students of that locality or of that village study? That is my more concern. I think in the 10-15 days we will be able to furnish me all the detail regarding the physical condition of those schools, the number of enrollment, the number of teachers in the school, whether those schools are functioning or not, and if they are not functioning, where the teachers are teaching, and if they are not functioning also, where the students are studying. So all these things, I will get a report.